Kunal Kamra is doing what comedians do, cracking a joke, having a laugh, making fun. Why is Eknath Shinde getting so worked up? Joining us on the news track from the Shinde Sena, I have the party's national spokesperson, Shaina NC. With us for the BJP perspective, I have national spokesperson Sanju Verma. We have Sushma Andhare, she's a spokesperson of the Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray Sena. And I have Anish Gawande from the NCP of Sharad Pawar. I want to go across to Shaina NC first. Shaina, Kunal Kamra is cracking a joke. And the jokes are not just about Eknath Shinde, they're about all kinds of billionaires, they're about other politicians. Nobody else is offended. He has in some way stated a fact by saying that Eknath Shinde was a traitor, which he was. He left one party to set up another. Why should he have to deal with this FIR? What's going on under your watch?
Rahul, if you leave a party which is defunct of its own ideology of Hindu Hriday Samrat Adanya Balasaheb Thackeray and chooses to go with anyone for lust for power, and on your own accord you choose to leave with majority of the MLAs, does that make you a traitor? Please get real. There is a distinct line between comedy and vulgarity. And this is not the first time.
No, but why target him? He's been called, just one second, Shaina. Eknath Shinde has been called a traitor by Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray, Sanjay Raut. They're all politicians. Why pick on a comedian?
Because this comedian is not a comedian. He's a political activist under the guise of pretending to be somebody's stooge and puppet, which he clearly is. Now, look at the sequence of events. You have 2.5 years of respected Eknath Shinde ji, who is an aspirational story, an auto rickshaw driver who makes it as the chief minister, is the deputy chief minister. And there you keep using words like Gaddar. 2.5 years, nobody attacked any activist, any journalist, any issue which was raised. Criticism, welcome. But here you are playing to the gallery. You are the puppet and the stooge of the Ubata Sena and the Congress, and this is not the first time. Please remember.
No, but you can criticize his comments. You can say you disagree. You can take out a dharna. You can protest. Why? It's like because it's your government in Maharashtra, you're using the force of the law against a person who can't defend himself the same way. He's not your political opponent. He's cracking a joke.
Absolutely not. But his so-called joke, for every action, there is bound to be a reaction. And don't understand, this is the reaction of the workers who adore their leader, who know the kind of service he has given to the people of Maharashtra. And there, under the garb of freedom of speech, you try and cross every Lakshman Rekha. You have not done this in the past. You have done this hundreds of times. You call the Supreme Court the supreme joke. Don't forget his comments about Justice Chandrachud. Don't forget his comments on your fellow journalist Arnab Goswami. Don't forget the kind of comments he's made on Banyas. I mean, by constantly hurting people's sentiment or kind of pretending to be this great comedian when you're nothing but a vulgar display of your own so-called sarcasm, which doesn't work. Please understand, look at the whole track record of this man in question. And for all those who are questioning us, let's not forget, it was when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief minister that journalists were attacked. It was when he was the chief minister that ABP was under attack, when Arnab Goswami was under attack.
How is that a defense? How is that a defense?
We have not.
No, how is that a defense? Just because Uddhav Thackeray did something which is wrong doesn't justify you doing something wrong.
I'm only giving you the narrative,
but that's
and the reference to context. The reference to context. And is this a diversionary tactic? So, well, it could be, because he is playing puppet, he is playing to the gallery, and he is invading on what we believe is the leadership of our party, which is a large party and which
he's
has
a comedian.
Every right to
he's supposed to play to the gallery. That's what comedians do. That's how they get everyone laughing.
Not with vulgarity under the guise of freedom of expression.
Yeah, okay.
Which it isn't.
If you consider it vulgarity, the question is, do you ignore it? Do you look the other side, or do you file an FIR? Anish Gawande. Now, some of the things that Shaina says, it's not as if they're the only party who's done this. Eknath Shinde has retributed now. Before this, Uddhav Thackeray was called bald, and there was a very strong pushback at that time as well. So this has happened in Maharashtra. It's not happening for the first time, and Shinde is not new.
No, but Rahul, the challenge is, unfortunately, that I think that this is all playing out like a very, very cruel joke. You know, the fact that the Shiv Sena members were vandalizing Habitat, which is the venue where this man was performing, is a joke. The fact that they were trashing the hotel, which is the entry point to the venue, is a joke. The fact that the BMC today is going and demolishing part of that venue is a joke. You know, नौकरियां बनाने नहीं आती, तो वो क्यों बर्बाद करने में लगे हुए हो? You know, is this the creative economy that you're going to create? Last year, the government said $30 billion creative economy, employs 8% of India's workforce, and this is how you treat the creative economy. The problem is, if you don't understand that freedom of speech is important for a thriving creative economy, you're not going to be able to get very far. As for the other examples, Rahul, the biggest difference is that after these acts happen by any party workers, party leaders are expected to maintain maturity. But what does the BJP do today? Nilesh Rane goes and makes a statement saying, "Jahan bhi dikhega usko marenge." Is this the kind of statement you expect from an elected leader? You have others saying that every action has a reaction. This is a complete collapse of law and order because you're allowing this hooliganism to continue and in fact supporting it by the state.
Sanju Verma, there are lots of jokes on Modi ji. There are other jokes in Kunal Kamra's act. Do you support the manner in which China NC's party has registered an FIR against the comedian Kamra?
You know, Rahul, I'm reminded of that famous Hindi adage, बर्बादे गुलिस्ता करने को बस एक ही उल्लू काफी है, यहाँ तो हर शाख पे उल्लू बैठा है, अंजामे गुलिस्ता क्या होगा? You know, let me just say one thing very categorically, that, you know, since constitution is something that is raked up every now and then from the other side, let me say that Article 19 of the Constitution very categorically says that free speech is not absolute and free speech is subject to public order, morality and health, point number 1. Point number 2, FIR under sections 353(1) and 356(2) of the BNSS have been filed not only against Kunal Kamra but also against people who vandalized the venue. You know, so it is wrong for anyone to assume that the state is behaving in a prejudiced manner. Point number 3, you know, there is a very thin line between vulgarity and comedy. And I'll tell you what, I heard that clip of Kunal Kamra's. What does he say? He says, एक बटन दबाया जाता था और 9 वोट निकलते थे. In a way, he was trying to...
No, he doesn't say that. He says they've given them 9 buttons because of the number of splits in the party.
Can I finish?
No, you must.
Rahul, can I please finish?
Just one second.
Can I just finish?
Sanju ji,
why are you so intolerant?
I'm not intolerant. I'm very tolerant. As you know, I'm very tolerant.
Please let me finish. Okay. Don't heckle me, Rahul. Can I just finish? Thank you.
Make your argument. I don't want an FIR. Sanju ji, I don't want an FIR against me. So please speak lest you file an FIR. But go on.
Can I just finish?
Go on, yes.
Thank you. Rahul, I don't know why you have this bad habit. You know, the moment BJP starts speaking, you guys start getting so itchy and jittery and, you know, so... Anyway, let me not get into the train of adjectives to describe you. Let me be very categorical here. Let me say one thing. What I take offense particularly, I don't even mind, the fact that he said, oh, thane mein rickshaw chalane wale, abhi aankh mein chashma lagane wale, chehre par daढ़ी rakhne wale. All that is kosher. It's par for the course when you're doing comedy. But when you say that ये मंत्रालय कम जाते हैं और फडणवीस की गोद में ज्यादा दिखाई देते हैं, when you say that you press one button but you get 9 votes, I think this was not comedy. This was trying to insinuate that the assembly election results of Maharashtra
No, I must cut you there, Sanju ji, because that's not what he says. In fact, I'll pull out that clip and put it out, because that's not what he says. He says where there were earlier fewer parties, they've now given them 9 buttons. He doesn't say that there are 9 different results coming out. That's a distortion. That's a factual distortion of what's happening. I want to quote to you.
Rahul, why are you behaving like Kunal Kamra?
No, I'm not behaving like Kunal Kamra. Okay, since she says this again and again, let me just play that clip once so that you can hear what he says. Because I'm no one's ambassador, least of all Kunal Kamra. Because you're distorting facts and I don't appreciate that. Let's just listen. You're hearing what Sanju Verma is saying. Listen to what Kunal Kamra said and see whether he's saying 9 vote nikle. He said that you've given them 9 votes, not 9 vote nikle. Listen in.
यहाँ पे इन्होंने पहले क्या किया, शिवसेना बीजेपी से बाहर आ गई, फिर शिवसेना से बाहर आ गई। एनसीपी से बाहर आ गई। एक वोटर को 9 बटन दे दिए, सब कंफ्यूज हो गए।
So you heard in that clip exactly what Kunal Kamra says, but I just want to throw this open. I have a comedian joining me on this broadcast. I want to go across to Jiveshu Aluwalia. Now I heard the comedy or the large part of that clip. The fact is, in several places, Kunal Kamra is quite deeply offensive, particularly when it comes to the health of a particular businessman's son. Some of the stuff that's said is downright not nice, right? I mean, you can call, I have nothing wrong with calling someone a traitor. That's just a fact. He did betray his party, and therefore that's okay. Now the question is that did Kamra go overboard? That there is some level of angst or frustration that seems to have crept in because of the fact that he's on a particular side of the political divide, and it's all coming out. It's not just humor, that there is a lot of nastiness that's built up over a while that's finding voice.
So hi Rahul.
Hi Jivishu.
Hi. I think there are two things one has to know. If you think any comedian who does any of these jokes isn't aware of what will it lead to, which is in case of an FIR or such cases of vandalism or aggression, I wouldn't agree there. I think each one of us is aware of what will one joke or one sort of ideology or one sort of experimentation of any factor on stage would lead to, especially when the reach is via YouTube, wherein nothing is subsided. There is no filter. So I don't think so.
So why do you think he did it? Why do you think he did it if he knew the consequences?
Honestly, these are very personal takes. Any comic who does anything which is on the threshold of being a little arrogant and little, turmoilish to say the least, is to get publicity. We sell out shows. We sell out stands. We name one person who has gone through turmoil who has not made it big after that. Be it Big Boss, be it OTT series, be it advertisements, be it endorsements. All of us get it. All of us. It's publicity. It's massive publicity. But at the same time, I think I also agree with the other part that breaking something or going after somebody's life or
but he's already quite famous. It's not as if this would make him any more famous than he was.
No, but if fame dips down, is Amitabh Bachchan famous? Yes. Is Abhishek Bachchan famous? Yes. But why do they keep doing movies after movies? Because they need to be relevant after every couple of years. This is work. This is business. I need to run my house. Why do I do shows? Why do I publish YouTube videos? Why do I go do Instagram reels? Because I need to be relevant. The creative side is very short-lived. If I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. It's very simple. But the other part that I want to address is that people can go after Kunal Kamra because he's a single individual. You put a bigger person there, a bigger party, bigger person, bigger hold of power there, you wouldn't go after it. Simple. You wouldn't. Your courage is directly proportional to your opponent's size.
सुषमा अंधारे, ये जो बात हो रही है कि उद्धव ठाकरे जी को जब बॉल्ड कहा गया, टकला कहा गया, तब उस टाइम पे सेना की तरफ से उसका गतिरोध हुआ, ऑपोजिशन हुआ, और जो बाकी कमेडियन है वो कह रहे हैं कि एक पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है, कि वो अपना रेलेवेंस खोजने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वायरलिटी, एंगेजमेंट खोजने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, इस वजह से वो इस तरह की बातें कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि उनको भी मालूम है कि आज की तारीख में इस तरह के जो क्रैक करोगे कुछ ना कुछ लफड़ा तो होगा उसका।
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो। मुझे इससे बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है, क्योंकि अगर कुणाल कामरा की पब्लिसिटी के बारे में अगर कोई सोचता है और उसकी चिंता कर रहा है तो जरा समझ ले कि जिसके पास करोड़ों के फॉलोअर्स है उसे इन सारी हरकतों की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। मैं और एक बात आपको बता दूं, कुणाल कामरा इज एन आर्टिस्ट। एज पर आवर इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन चैप्टर 3 आर्टिकल 19 एवरीवन हैज अ राइट, वी कॉल्ड इट एज अ राइट टू एक्सप्रेस। अगर ये राइट टू एक्सप्रेस सबको मिलता है तो कुणाल इज आल्सो सिटीजन ऑफ दिस कंट्री। वो भी अगर इस देश के नागरिक है तो उनको भी यह हक मिलना चाहिए। मुझे इसके साथ ही जोड़कर एग्जाम्पल देना पड़ेगा. लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. जस्ट फ्यू डेज बिफोर, प्रशांत कोरटकर gave some comments about our great Raja Shiv Chhatrapati ji. And what BJP or Shiv Sena, Shinde Gut, what they had done, इनमें से किसी ने भी कोरटकर का घर जाकर तोड़फोड़ नहीं दिया. राहुल सोलापुरकर ने जिस टीवी चैनल को इंटरव्यू दिया, उस टीवी चैनल का स्टूडियो किसी ने जाकर तोड़ा नहीं है. श्रीकांत भारतीय ने जिस तरह का एक बिल्कुल भद्दा मजाक किया कि अपने घर के पेट का नाम राजा शंभू के नाम से रखा, तो श्रीकांत भारतीय को किसी ने पूछा नहीं है. तो ये जो सारे लोग हैं, यह सोच नहीं, इस बात को यह समझ नहीं रहे हैं कि एवरीवन फॉर आवर सेल्फ बेटरमेंट, you have to take some feedback for your self development.
Okay, but let Anish Gawande respond to what we heard from Jivishu Ahluwalia, where he's saying that every artist needs some new engagement, new virality, and the fact is that, you know, someone like a Kunal Kamra would have known that his jokes may have consequences in the real world. He did it, Jivishu argues, for publicity.
But who is not doing things for publicity? Is it wrong to do something for publicity? As you said, he's a comedian. His job is to fill up his show. This vulgarity ki Lakshman Rekha that keeps getting drawn is the problem, Rahul. Who is defining this Lakshman Rekha? Do you define it by breaking someone's studio before going to court? You know, the BJP has a lot of initiatives. Startup India, Stand Up India, Sit Down India. The newest initiative is Shut Up India. This is part of an organized set of attempts to stifle any dissent. Right from the Ranveer Allahabadiya controversy, which was a decoy for the broadcasting bill that they still haven't brought in parliament, to the Maharashtra Public Security Act, which they want to bring into the Vidhan Sabha soon. This is an attempt to stifle any voice on this claim of vulgarity, on the claim of being anti-national.
But China, see what, you know, frankly, I've never spent time listening to any Kamra jokes before this, right? But because of this controversy, I sat and watched almost the entire 45-odd minute clip, which I wouldn't have done otherwise. So you're actually giving him more mind space, airtime than he would have otherwise had. I mean, how many people would have paid attention to his jokes? There's so many other jokes that he's cracked, which if you were to be offended with, would probably be deemed as being more offensive. The others aren't offended. आप लोग इतना बुरा मान के बैठे हो.
Look, firstly, Rahul, we are open to any legitimate voices of dissent, critique, commentary, and 2.5 years is testimony to that. We've had lots of journalists who have written for, against, have had opinions, freedom of expression. Yes, absolutely welcome. But look at this man who pretends to be a comedian but is nothing but a stooge. He is nothing but a puppet at the hands of certain political parties to which he's sold his soul. Tell me,
but even if that is true and he sold his soul to some party, he's allowed to oppose you, like Anish Gawande you. Kamra's allowed to oppose you.
He's welcome to oppose, but he dare call my leader a traitor when he is not. And if that has a reaction, obviously it will, because the cadre is charged.
No, but Sanjay Raut has called Eknath Shinde a traitor. Aditya Thackeray calls him a traitor. Uddhav Thackeray has called him a traitor even today. Why aren't you filing cases against them then?
The fact is that the police has also taken cognizance of perpetrators, even if they are within our party itself.
No. I'm saying I have comments and I'll play them out. Just give us a moment. I have comments from people today calling Eknath Shinde a traitor. I'm saying if that is the charge, why an FIR against one and not against the others? Just listen in for a second.
This is a very classist, racist statement. Even what he has said about him being an auto rickshaw driver. Please, this is aspirational India.
Just one second, just listen in.
This is the idea of comedy. Then it's vulgar in my opinion. And
one second, China.
मुझे लगता है उसकी हर पंक्ति हर शब्द से सही है ना. वो तो राजनीतिक दलों के सारे विपक्ष के लोग उनके ऊपर वही तो इल्जाम लगा रहे, खुलेआम लगा रहे. उसने कविता के शब्द में कहा. पहली बात ऐसी कि इस देश में अगर डेमोक्रेसी हम कहते हैं, जनतंत्र को मानते हैं, तो ये सारी चीज़ों को स्वीकारना चाहिए. वो क्या दीवार पिक्चर था ना, मेरा बाप जो ऐसा कुछ लिखा था, उस तरह की बात है. वो जिंदगी पर वो ठप्पा जाने वाला नहीं है, कुछ भी करोगी तो भी.
जो सच्चाई है उन्हें वही तो बयां की है. गद्दारी की है, पार्टी को तोड़ा है. आपने जो सरकार बनाई और आप मुख्यमंत्री बने, वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी की वजह से बने. ये जनता जानती है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने पार्टियों को तोड़ा है, संविधान को दरकिनार किया है। तो कहीं ना कहीं एकनाथ शिंदे को लगा होगा ये तो पूरा यानी सच्चाई बोल रहे हैं और जनता हंस भी रही है उन पर। तो यानी उनका जो इमेज है, वो जो बचा कुछ इमेज है, वो भी खत्म हो रहा है, इसलिए उन्होंने ये काम किया, हरकत किया है।
But the thing about comedy is, Shaina, that it's not supposed to make you think, oh, what a righteous and morally correct thing to say. I mean, it's supposed to be funny. Some will find it funny, some will say, nah, it's not funny. You have all these comedians making fun of all of us all the time. I mean, you just look the other way or you ignore it. You don't go about filing FIRs.
No, then be open to all the reactions you will get. Some of us will come on television and express ourselves.
You must. I have no problem with that. Why use the force of the law against him?
There are different people. Kader responds differently. Actions come out with different kinds of reactions. And this is not the first time. Do you mean to say that everything that this man, who is a real joker, has made on the Supreme Court, calling it a supreme joke, on Justice Chandrachud, on Venugopalji, on the list is so endless, on Banyas. I mean, just does this sensationalism mean that you can just get away with saying anything you want? Is that the only parameter? Is it about
no? But why ransack this place?
And here you're pretending
the auditorium where this event happened. Why have your people gone and ransacked that place? What's wrong with the venue? Why vandalize the venue? Shaina NC. Why vandalize the venue?
He is a political stooge.
He may be a political stooge. He doesn't like you. You don't like him. That's fine. Why file an FIR? Why ransack this place?
Not? Why not? If it hurts my sentiment and I choose to register an FIR, it is my prerogative. If
but why ransack this place? Why ransack the place where the comedy event was staged?
You must ransack or take law.
But your people have done it.
12 people have been arrested for that. And it's not as if the police hasn't taken cognizance of it. I am not for 1 minute justifying. As I said, people respond to different issues very differently. I may choose to come on TV. Somebody else may want to go there and express what they believe. This man, who is nothing short of a comedy, who has now witnessed a tragedy, and therefore we're debating. I'd like to say that every time you have this garb of freedom of expression and you're right, why can't others have that right too?
No, of course you can. I have no problem with you protesting peacefully. You can't go and ransack and vandalize the place. That's the point. GVC Ahluwalia wants to make a point. Go on.
See, I agree with a few comments this lady made, and I think I agree. See, I'll give you an example. One thing I want to correct. I don't think so Kunal did it to become famous, but I was just saying that when people do it, it is not that we're oblivious to the fact that this will land us into trouble. In fact, give us a bigger name, bigger stage, bigger exposure. I was just making a point that Kunal, me, whoever does it, we know where it is leading. We don't live under a rock. So it is not something that we like, और हमें पता नहीं था कि क्या हो जाएगा, हमें पता होता है. Second thing, I think I agree with what China was saying that, you know, for example, when we go to a country, like for example, when we go to Dubai or when we go to other countries where we are told that, you know, you can't make fun of the religion, the king, the state.
And you adhere to it, right?
And you adhere to it. Yeah, simple. Yeah, you adhere to it. You simply adhere to it. So the freedom of expression is not.
So who gives him the right to speak about my leader like this?
True. That's what I'm agreeing with you, ma'am. I'm agreeing with you. If you let me complete my sentence. So I agree with her. I agree with that yeah, freedom of expression doesn't allow you to go out and insult my parents or my mother or my father or my leader, whoever, right? The answer to your question, Rahul, is that why haven't we gone and filed, FIRs and ransacked Aditya Thackeray's place or some other leader's place? Because they're bigger than us. You go after Kunal Kamra because he's weaker. Simple as that. It is as simple as that.
Let Sanju Verma respond to that. Uddhav Thackeray has said the same thing. Sanjay Raut says it morning, noon and night. Aditya Thackeray is saying the same thing. Un pe to aapki sarkar ne FIR ki nahi. You've gone and lodged an FIR against a comedian.
Okay, Rahul, I will address to everything. First and foremost, let me just say this. Your audience needs to hear this. It is all fine to sit in television studios and wax eloquent about free speech. But some people need to understand that my right to free expression stops where yours begins. And Sushma Andhare needs to listen to this very carefully. This is what she had to say, and she's been booked under various sections of the criminal court for saying so. She has abused Lord Ram and said, these are her words, I'm quoting it and verbatim. Please, let me finish because I've
already started. But if she's abusing Lord Ram, don't repeat that abuse.
Can I finish? Rahul, can you not interrupt me? Because if you call the BJP, allow me to speak. After all, this is a debate on free speech. Can the BJP have its say?
Yeah, but I just don't want abuses to Lord Ram on the show, but go on.
Yes, I'm not abusing Lord Ram. I'm quoting what Sushma Andhare said, Rahul Kanwal. Thank you. Now, this is what she said. I don't want a husband like Lord Rama. Who wants a husband like Lord Rama who showed mistrust of his wife and sent her to exile when she was 7 months pregnant? If people raise questions about Goddess Sita's character for being in Ravana's captivity, why not to question Lord Rama's character?
Let us speak.
Rahul,
Let her complete.
I refuse to be a part of your show if this is the way it's going to be. I have not heckled anyone. Please ask Sushma Andhare to stop giggling and heckling like a schoolgirl. She's not a kindergartner. Thank you. So the limited point is this. Sushma Andhare at a public forum has the audacity and the gall to abuse Lord Rama, saying, I don't want a husband like Lord Rama. Who wants a husband who actually mistrusted his wife and sent her into exile when she was 7 months pregnant? He was alone in the jungle when she was held hostage, right? So how did she get pregnant? These are the kind of irresponsible statements that Uddhav Thackeray spokesperson Sushma Andhare has made about Lord Rama, and today she's sitting here on Rahul Kanwal's show and giving bhashan to all and sundry about free speech.
Okay.
तो पहली बात सुषमा अंधारे, आपसे भाषण की जरूरत नहीं है. My second point, and very quickly, can I please finish? My second point, and very quickly, Rahul, without being verbose. This is for Sharad Pawar and his acolytes. I remember from November 2019 till 29th June 2022, when Uddhav Thackeray was the chief minister, before he stepped down via a Facebook Live. How many people were arrested for doing nothing? For simply sharing Sharad Pawar's memes or a simple joke? You had somebody like Anant Karmuse, who was picked up from his residence by Jitendra Ahwar. You had somebody like Ketaki Chitale, a young actress. She simply shared a meme of Sharad Pawar and she was picked up and spent 21 days in jail. There's a 21-year-old man called Nikhil Bhamre who was picked up from his residence.
Yeah, but one wrong doesn't justify another. Just because some other politician did something bad doesn't mean that we have to do the same. Sushma Andhare, respond to everything that's been said about you. Let's listen to Sushma Andhare respond to what's been said about her.
मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूंगी कि संजू शर्मा जैसे ऐसे बहुत सारे बीजेपी के प्रवक्तागण हैं जो मुद्दे की बात नहीं कह पाते हैं और जो मुद्दे को घुमाने में और उसे डाइवर्ट करने में बड़े माहिर लोग हैं, और यह लोग घूम फिर कर एक ही बात पर आ जाते हैं. अगर मेरी किसी भी बात पर इन लोगों को आपत्ति है तो जो बातें मैंने कभी किसी डिबेट में कही होंगी उन बातों के रेफरेंस डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर राइटिंग एंड स्पीचेस के उन सारे किताबों में लिखे हुए हैं. अगर संजू शर्मा के लीडर में इतनी हिम्मत है, अगर फडणवीस साहब में इतनी हिम्मत है, तो डॉक्टर बाबा साहब आम्बेडकर जी के सारे राइटिंग एंड स्पीचेस जलाने की वो हिम्मत रखे. क्योंकि
I don't see the point over here. No, but I don't see the point here. We're getting derailed. The fact is, Jivishu, if you are saying that at some level comedians know where to draw the line and that they have to be careful because there are consequences in the real world, then frankly, being a comedian is as dangerous as being in the army. You never know when you'll get bumped off. Then what's the point of being a comedian? If there's so much self-censorship going on, then you may as well find something else to do.
No, Rahul, I think it's called talent also. See, all of these political jokes and everything. See, there are some comics who will go for political satire. There are some people who go for family. There are some people who go for fat, thin, patla, mota, lamba, chota, kala, gora, all that pati, patni wale jokes. They all, as long as there is a market for it, people will have the deliverance of it. Should you self-censor? Yes, you should self-censor. Just because there is a freedom of speech, that doesn't mean that I can go out and blab anything out of my mouth. I'm sorry. That is not what I would want to do. Because if somebody else does it to me, then like one of the panelists said that कि मेरे को जो ठीक लगता है वो मैं करूँगा या मैं करूँगी या मेरे कैडर को जो ठीक लगता है मैं करूँगा या मैं करूँगी. फिर it's one of the very simple thing कि सामने वाले ने मुझे चांटा मारा, मैं पलट के चांटा मार रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरा चांटा कम पड़ गया तो फिर मैं रोता हूँ मेरा चांटा ठीक नहीं पड़ा. My problem is not that. My problem is another thing. My problem is that whatever is happening with him is also wrong. Two wrongs will not make a right, like you said it. Whatever is happening with him is happening because he's a person who can be beaten around that. Because he's Kunal Kamra. You replace that name with any other big political bigwig, you will dare not touch him, and you've answered that yourself.
Okay, I think the hypocrisy is writ large when Uddhav Thackeray, Aditya Thackeray,
and also the timing is
Sanjay
questioned.
Raut keep saying the same thing. No FIR against them.
सर मुझे एक बात फिर बतानी है.
Ma'am, I'm out of time, but very quickly, quick final words. Okay,
Rahul,
Sushma,
can I quickly come in for 10
सिर्फ इतना
seconds?
बताना चाहती हूँ.
let Sushma Andare speak first. Go on, Sushma
मैं
ji.
सिर्फ इतना बताना चाहती हूँ कि पिछले 2.5 साल से मैं, मेरे पार्टी लीडर, मेरे पार्टी के लोग और कितने ही लोग एकनाथ शिंदे और उनके 40 लोगों को बार बार गद्दार बोले जाते हैं. कितने ही गाने इस पर बनते हैं, प्ले बनते हैं, तो वहां पर आपको कुछ आपत्ति नहीं होती है. आज ही आपको यह आपत्ति क्यों आई है? आपको इतना बुरा क्यों लग रहा है? क्यों बुरा लग रहा
Rahul, can the
है?
BJP come in, please?
Okay, just one at a time. One at a time. I'll give everyone an opportunity to complete. Let Sushma
गद्दार को
come.
गद्दार कहेंगे लोग. गद्दार को और क्या कह सकते हैं? गद्दार को गद्दार ही कह सकते हैं. तो इसमें बुरा लगने वाली क्या बात है?
Okay, now
आपको इतना बुरा लगने की जरूरत नहीं है.
let Shaina
और
and
आप
she
जिन
respond.
चीजों को फिर-
गद्दार को गद्दार नहीं बोलेंगे तो क्या बोलेंगे? She's daring you to file an FIR against her. Do that now. Let Shaina
come
respond.
on. जिस पार्टी ने हिंदू हृदय सम्राट आदरणीय बाला साहेब ठाकरे के सोच विचार को ठोका है, यहाँ बयानबाजी करे तो आपको शोभा नहीं देती है सुषमा ताई. और सबसे पहले तो ये समझ लो, ये टाइमिंग भी सस्पेक्ट है. This is a diversionary tactic, and please note, why is this out today? And is it to absolve yourself of the wrongdoings that a court of law may prove in the days to come? Also suspect. So if you can question, we can question too. Look at the Telangana government, what it's done. It's going ahead and arresting even journalists who have written against them. We've never done that. We welcome criticism. We welcome all kinds of commentary, as has been our track record of 2.5 years when Eknath Shinde was the chief minister.
Okay,
But to
Anish
demean
Gawande,
an
final
aspirational
words.
story of a auto rickshaw driver.
No,
and
this is
suggest that this.
Kunal, yesterday, Kunal, I don't know, Kunal, I want to agree with Shaina here and say these are all distractions. Yesterday, Aurangzeb, today, Kunal Kamra. I would just encourage the BMC that they should focus on fixing potholes instead of demolishing comedy venues, because that would be what the government is for. The rest of this can be social media banter.
Okay,
Rahul?
Sanju Verma, final words, ma'am.
Rahul, let me just say one thing to everybody. Let people realize, both from the Uddhav camp and the Sharad Pawar camp, the BJP contested on 149 seats in the Maharashtra Assembly, 132. That's a strike rate of 89%. So let nobody teach us about electoral politics, point number one. And point number two, yadi free speech is absolute, then I'm sure I will not be arrested for calling Uddhav Thackeray senior penguin and Aditya Thackeray junior penguin, because a Karyakarta, Sameet Thakkar, was arrested for more than 2 months with more than 3 dozen FIRs filed against him simply because he chose to call the father and son duo penguin. And I found it hilarious that people today who are giving bhashan on free speech, tab inke muh mein Fevicol jam gaya tha. And my final point to Kunal Kamra is this. If Eknath Shinde is sitting in Devendra Fadnavis की गोदी में, तो भाई आपके जो उद्धव ठाकरे हैं, जिनकी आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बनने की कोशिश में लगे हुए हैं, वो तो कांग्रेस पार्टी सोनिया गांधी और राहुल गांधी की गोदी में जाकर बैठ गए हैं by flouting what Bala Saheb Thackeray said, that he will never have an alliance with the Italian lady. तो आप किस मुंह से फ्री स्पीच के दावेदार बनते हैं? Because beat Nikhil Bhamre, beat Ketaki Chitale, beat Anant Karmuse, beat arresting Navneet Rana. The Uddhav Thackeray dispensation showed when it was in power for 2.5 years how intolerant it was.
Okay.
And rapidly intolerant.
One wrong doesn't condone another. Just because somebody was intolerant when it was their turn to be tolerant doesn't mean that they can now get away by accusing someone else of intolerance. I think there's a lot of hypocrisy, and our debate has brought all of that out. I want to thank our guests for bringing out their different perspectives in the news track.